Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming like a really cute nighttime makeup routine for going out. If you're going out in the evening time, I usually have my makeup all off, which I did. I had a shower, took all my makeup off, but I really just wanted to film something for you guys, so it's gonna be a cute, not too super glam, just a nice makeup tutorial. I'm using this because I'm so low in all my foundations. Like, I literally don't have any left. Like, I need to go makeup shopping. I plan on doing makeup shopping this week because I don't have much makeup. Like, at all. I need to get more makeup. So yeah, I need to get more makeup products and just a load of stuff like concealer, eyeshadow. I want to get new mascara, new foundation, try out new products, maybe try something from NARS because I don't think I've ever bought anything from NARS. So yeah, I'm just going to conceal my under eyes. I'm lowering my chair, my nose, forehead, chin, ooh, and dab it out with a beauty blender because that is how we do on this channel. So how have you guys been? What's up? I have been working non-stop. I literally need a holiday. I really want to go to Spain or like France, mostly Spain. I really want to try book a holiday in. I really want to go all around Europe because Europe is pretty beautiful. Like, there's beautiful locations all around Europe, and like you can always find new places to go, new cities to sightsee. Like, it's just L'Oreal bronze. I miss my Nicole Miller. I ran out of it. I'm getting more. I have to go to TK Maxx and like get more of that. I will buy the whole palette again, even though I didn't use the highlighter too much, but that bronzer, whoa, made me look so good. Like, that is the best bronzer I've ever gone. Like, this has barely got any pigmentation. Like, I can't even see. Like, I have to keep going over and over, and I hate that because it's like, it takes. I like to get my makeup done kind of fast these days because I'm always so busy. This is the She Glam On Point blush. I'm going in with loads because I want a real blushy. I'm gonna blend it out.
It's really rushed. I'm not trying to rush it at all. I just feel like I'm in such a fast-paced mood today after working. I don't know. I want it to be kind of cute, but I think I will use blush powder just because.
As I said, I'm literally out in makeup and just like go for it. Like, literally. I don't even have a proper blush to just use. I literally just use like liquid blush. Like, my Rare Beauty's almost gone as well. Like, I've got to get more. Oh my god, why am I eyeballing? Okay, I gotta get more, which I will do. Don't get me wrong, I will.
Yeah. I think I'll add glitter as well because a lot of people love when I add glitter to my eyes. I always get compliments, like people are like, "Oh my god, your eyes look so pretty." I'm like, "Oh, thank you." I'm just gonna flare it all out, guys. I started watching Vampire Diaries, by the way. I've never watched that show. Everyone was hyping it, and I feel like that and Teen Wolf and Gossip Girl is like really popular.
Don't get me wrong, they're very interesting. It's just I never get the time to like sit down. I know I won't finish the whole season, but if I just get season 1 finished, I'll be happy because like the series is pretty good, and I love Nina Dobrev, or Dobrev, I'm not sure. She's a great actress. A rosy look. So I'm gonna add this to my bottom lower lashes. I had makeup on today, so I feel like my lower eyelash mascara is still kind of okay. So because I have not much of my Maybelline left, I always use a thin brush. Like, I don't use this thick one. So this is the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara.
I'm down on the brush, so I'm just gonna flick my eyelashes up. I'm just gonna actually just do the ends. I'm not gonna do right from the root. I'm just gonna flare out the ends because I want to look very cat-like. Since it is evening makeup, you gotta do a little extra flare. And if it comes, I'm just gonna use my other brush to even it out because I want it to look like a cat.
lashes are done. I feel like, I don't know, I didn't get much blush on, so I'm going to use a darker color.
Just to make my eyes
or my cheeks pop and look a bit more rosy, because I want them to look really rosy. Then I'm gonna do some faux freckles. So your girl is going to add them on her nose. Oh, sorry if there's so many background noises. My family are all up and they're cooking. It's not even that late, it's like 10 p.m. I think. Yes. Now for my lips, I'm just gonna do, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do matte. Oh. Yeah, I need to do new makeup looks because I feel like they're all kind of you know what? This one's from Essence. I love to make them jump, 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 jump. That's this evening's makeup. It's very cherry, very cutie pie. It's very old Hollywood. I think I like the way it turned out. I think it's really flattering on the eyes. Let me know what you guys think. If you want, I can add glitter to my inner corner as well. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very old Hollywood, very cute. I'm gonna wear this on a cute night out. I'm not going out tonight because it's Monday, but it's bank holiday, so I don't start work till later tomorrow. Woo! That's just my dog. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, a subscribe, follow on my social medias, help me out a little bit. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of summer. It's my dog. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to show this look off to you.